If you want to start earning commissions with Namecheap, the first thing you need is your affiliate link. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to get the Namecheap affiliate link step by step, so you can sign up the right way and begin promoting Namecheap products with confidence. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and marketing guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, Edge, or whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Namecheap Affiliate Program. This will help you find the official affiliate sign-up page quickly. Now from the search results, make sure you open the official Namecheap Affiliate Program page. This is important because you always want to use the official website when signing up for affiliate programs. That way, you know you're getting the correct information, the correct registration process, and the proper tools for tracking your affiliate activity. Once the page loads, look for the Apply Now button. Click Apply Now to begin the registration process. This is the main entry point for joining the Namecheap affiliate program. So once you click it, you'll be taken to the next step where you can choose how you want to enroll. At this stage, Namecheap will usually give you a choice of affiliate platforms. The two main options mentioned here are Impact and CJ Affiliate. These are trusted affiliate networks that handle tracking, reporting, and commission management for the program. Choose the platform you want to use. If you already have an account with one of them, that may make the process a little faster. If not, don't worry, you can still continue by creating a new account. After selecting your preferred platform, click Enroll. Next, you'll need to create an account or sign in. If you're new to the platform, follow the prompts to set up your account. You may be asked to enter basic details like your name, email address, website or promotional method, and other business information. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your existing login details. After that, take a moment to review the required terms. Every affiliate program has rules you need to agree to before you can participate. Read through the terms carefully, then accept them if everything looks good. This step is important because it confirms that you understand the rules for promoting Namecheap and earning commissions. Once you complete the sign-up process, you should gain access to your affiliate dashboard. From there, you'll be able to find your affiliate link, track your clicks, monitor conversions, and manage your promotions. That affiliate link is the special URL you'll use when recommending Namecheap to your audience. And that's it. You've now learned how to get the Namecheap affiliate link by finding the official affiliate program, applying, choosing a platform, signing in, and accepting the terms. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.